Hello, I'm Patrick Jameson, and in this video, I'm going to install the window and add the fastener covers. There are two pieces of wood, one at the bottom and one here in the middle, that we'll need to unscrew prior to installation. From the outside of the main frame, this is a screw holding the board. We'll need to unscrew both sides. After dry fitting your window, apply sealant to the flange, to the buck, or both. The sealant has been applied. I can now set the window into the opening. I'm now ready to install this window in a square, level, and plumb fashion. I'll use the fasteners per the product approval. Use shims at every fastener location when needed. For best practices, when anchoring the bottom of the window, drill through the pre-punched holes of the frame and get all that dust out. Fill the cavity with sealant. You can even run your fastener through the tube of sealant and anchor your window down. After inspection, top off each head with sealant. Our window has now been installed and inspected. We can add the fastener cover to the inside part of the window. Using your snips, you'll cut the fastener cover in the appropriate lengths. I'll snap the cover in at the top of the window and work my way down. When I get to the bottom of the window, I'll get my snips and cut it to the right length. Follow the same process when snapping the bottom, top, and the other side cover in. The final step is to apply the appropriate sealant to the exterior perimeter of the window. To recap, I've now installed the window and added the fastener covers. In the next video, I'm going to show you the process of how to reglaze this window.